guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 17 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 884, uncommon words from two sentences. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. A sentence is a string of single spaced separated words where each word consists only of lowercase letters. Okay, so strings is given to us, right? And see this complete sentence, all the characters are lowercase, right? And they are all separated by a single space. Okay, then a word is uncommon if it appears exactly once in one of the sentences, okay, and doesn't appear in the other sentence. Okay, so read this line carefully. A word is uncommon if it appears exactly once in the one of sentences, right, and doesn't appear in the other sentence. Okay, so here see, this apple is sweet. Okay, all the words are occurring just one time, right? And here in this string 2, this apple is sour, all the words are occurring with just one time. Okay, now this sweet is there in my sentence 1, but this sweet is not there in my sentence 2. This sour is there in my sentence 2, but it is not there in my sentence 1, right? That is why we are adding these two words in my output. Okay, the word sweet appears only in S1 and the word sour appears only in S2. Okay, so this is going to my output. And now see this example 2. Here you see apple, apple. Okay, banana. Why we are not returning apple and banana both? See, in sentence 1 itself apple is appearing 2 times, right? So we have to check this. If a word is uncommon, if it appears exactly once in the one of sentences and doesn't appear in the other sentence. Okay, so we have given two sentences, S1 and S2. We have to return a list of all the uncommon words. You may return the answer in any order. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the problem statement. Okay, so now how we are going to solve this? So first we can do one thing here. We can just first split our sentence. Okay, so this is one string given to us, right? S1. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to convert this string into a string array using split method. Okay, so once that is done, so I will get result like this, this, and then apple. Okay, and so on. I will get the result like this. Okay, when I am going to convert this S1 to a string array. Okay, then after that I will just count the frequencies of all the elements. So here this frequency is 1 in this sentence, apple 1 is 1, sweet 1. Okay, then I will iterate over this sentence. So this already occurred here in S1, so its frequency is going to become 2. Apple is already there, so this frequency will become 2. Is already there in sentence 1, so this frequency will become 2. Sour is not there in my sentence 1, so its frequency will become 1. Okay, and in the end I will just iterate over all the words. So you see that this frequency is 2, apple frequency is 2, is frequency is 2, but sweet and sour frequency is just 1. So I'm just going to return that. Okay, I'm just going to add these two words in my list, and then later on I will just convert, I will just return that output. Okay, so see here, apple frequency initially 1 here, it will become 2 here, then banana frequency is 1 here. So now if you see the latest frequency of all the words, so there are two words, right? One is apple and one is banana. So apple's frequency is 2, we are not going to return it. Banana frequency is just 1, we are just going to return it. That's it. Now let's write the code. So code is also going to be very simple. You guys just need to know about this split method. Okay, if you know about this, then this problem will become very easy for you. Okay, so let's first create one map, and in my map I'm just going to use string as my keys and integer to store the count. Okay, so let's name it as word count. Okay, new hash map. This is done. Then after that we have to process my string S1. So just iterate over all the words in my S1 one by one. So what I'm going to do here, see this is interesting part. Okay, string word. Right now this string is like this complete, this apple is sweet, but I'm going to read it like this, then apple, then is. Okay, I'm going to read it like this. How I'm going to do that? So here in this for each loop I'm iterating over all the words one by one, and then after that here I'm going to write S1 dot split, and here inside this just give space. How we are splitting my sentence? Okay, S1, so it will automatically read the string like this, first this, then apple, then is, then sweet it will read. Okay, so this is how it is going to read all the words one by one. Okay, so this is done here, and inside this in my word count map, okay, here word count dot put, check if this word is already there in my map. Okay, if it is there, then what we need to do. If it is not there, then what we need to do here. Okay, so here wc dot get or default. Okay, it is going to check if it is already there or not. So if this word is already there, then it will take word, okay, the previous frequency of that. If it is not there, then it will take frequency as 0 in the starting and then add 1 to that. Easy, right? This is done. Then after that we have to process my string s2. So just copy this here, paste it here, and here string word s2, and split here, and here word count dot put word, and then same thing. Okay, that's it. So it is going to count the frequencies of all the words. This is appearing 2 times. Okay, so my map is there now. Map is containing string and integers. So this frequency is going to be 2, apple frequency is going to be 2, is frequency is going to be 2, sweet frequency is going to be 1, and sour frequency is going to be 1. Okay, that's it. This is done here, right? Now just we need to collect the words that appear exactly once. Okay, so let's create one list of string, and let's name it as result new array list, and then after that let's iterate over all the words. Okay, string word. Okay, so here how I'm going to iterate. So here write word count dot key set. Okay, and after that here you can just check if word count dot get of that particular word. Okay, we have to just check the frequency now. If it is equal to 1, that simply means that it is exactly only once. Then we have to add that into my result. That's it, right? So here I'm just collecting the words that appear exactly once, right? So I'm iterating over all the string words one by one in this word count. Okay, this map key set. Okay, so all these strings I'm going iterating one by one, and then checking the frequency. If it is 1, then I'm adding that to my this result. Okay, once this is done, here this ends. Then after that we have to just convert the result to an array, right? Because we are returning string array now. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to write return result to array, and here new string, and here just write 0. Okay, this is done. So now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And it beats 100% of users the Java. Okay, and the time complexity for this problem is going to be here we are iterating over all the words one by one. Okay, so here you can say of n for this part, and here in sentence 2 you are moving over all the words one by one, so you can say of m. So of n plus of m, and here also if you see you are just iterating over all the words in your key set now. So in general you can say that if both n and m size is almost same, then you can say that almost of n is going to be time complexity, or you can say of n plus m. Okay. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.